Welcome to this deep dive into the evolution of predictive modeling, from statistics to machine learning, Lasso and Ridge regression, the penalty for complexity. In the next 5 minutes, we will bridge the gap between classical linear models and the robust regularization techniques that power today's AI. Every data journey starts with the foundation of ordinary least squares, or OLS. Developed by Gauss and Legendre in the early 19th century, OLS aims to minimize the sum of squared residuals. It's the best linear, unbiased estimator under specific conditions, but it has a fatal flaw. It is greedy. It wants to fit the training data perfectly, often at the cost of future accuracy. In modern data science, we often face the curse of dimensionality. When we have too many predictors, sometimes more variables than observations, the OLS model becomes unstable. This leads to high variance and multicollinearity, where coefficients explode in size, making the model sensitive to the slightest noise in the data. This brings us to the Bias-Variance Tradeoff. A simple model has high bias, underfitting, while a complex model has high variance, overfitting. Machine learning is essentially the art of finding the sweet spot. Regularization is our primary tool for this, allowing us to intentionally introduce a small amount of bias to significantly reduce variance. Let's introduce the first hero of our story, Ridge regression, also known as Tikhonov regularization. Ridge modifies the OLS cost function by adding a penalty term. This term is the squared magnitude of the coefficients multiplied by a hyperparameter, lambda. As lambda increases, the coefficients are shrunk towards zero, but never quite reach it. Geometrically, ridge regression is like trying to find the lowest point on the error surface while staying within a circular boundary. This constraint, the L2 norm, forces the coefficients to share the burden of prediction, effectively handling multicollinearity and preventing any single variable from dominating the model unless it's truly necessary. Now, let's look at Lasso regression, which stands for Least Absolute Shrinkage and Selection Operator. Proposed by Robert Tibishani in 1996, Lasso uses an L1 penalty, the absolute value of the coefficients. This might seem like a small change from Ridge's squared penalty, but the mathematical consequences are profound. The geometry of Lasso is a diamond, not a circle. Because the corners of the diamond sit on the axes, the optimization process often hits these corners. This means Lasso doesn't just shrink coefficients, it sets some of them exactly to zero. Lasso is not just a regressor, it is a built-in feature selection tool, creating sparse models that are easier to interpret. So which one should you choose? Use Ridge when you believe most variables contribute slightly to the output and you want to prevent extreme values. Use Lasso when you suspect only a few variables are actually important and you want a simpler, more interpretable model. If you can't decide, there is the elastic net, which combines both penalties. In the real world, these techniques are everywhere. In genomics, where we have thousands of genes but few patients, Lasso identifies the specific markers for a disease. In finance, Ridge helps manage risk in portfolios with highly correlated assets. By applying a penalty to complexity, we ensure our models learn the signal, not the noise. To master these concepts, I highly recommend The Elements of Statistical Learning by Hastie, Tibishani, and Friedman, and An Introduction to Statistical Learning, ISLR. These are the Bibles of modern predictive modeling. Thank you for joining this journey from statistics to machine learning. References: Hastie, Tibishani, and Friedman, 2009, The Elements of Statistical Learning. James Witten, Hastie, Tibishani, 2013, An Introduction to Statistical Learning. Gujrati, Dina Fai, 2021, Basic Econometrics.